So it's mid-July, and I don't know how many of you remember, but we had a massive rainstorm that moved through the Canandaigua and Ontario County area, pretty much all of upstate New York. I wanted to do a short video on just making sure you are prepared for heavy rains. We had up to 3 inches of rain in some areas around here, and that was enough to actually do some significant damage, collapsing an entire foundation on one home not that far away from us, just from the sheer amount of force and water coming down the hill, just imploded the basement wall. So a couple of the things that are really important: downspouts. We need to make sure you've got your downspouts in place, and you have not only the downspout, but you have the gutter that comes off and gets the water away from the house. You want to get at least 5 feet away from the house, not a short little 3-foot piece. Get as far away from the house as you can. That will hopefully move the water far enough away that it doesn't find its way back down into your basement. The other thing too is grading. There should always be a positive grade away from, sloping away from your house. If you see any spots where it's sloping to your house, you need to have that properly addressed, either with drainage tiles or build it up so that it is flowing away. These are little steps that can make a big difference, especially when you have 3 inches of rain coming down all at once. It's got to go somewhere, and it's going to get there fast. And hopefully it's not into the basement of your home. So if you notice any of this stuff, maybe you had problems a few weeks ago, or maybe you were lucky and the storms kind of went around you, take care of the stuff now, because it can really be a costly repair if you don't. The home that I was just talking about, it's around $60,000 to have this whole part of the foundation rebuilt. So definitely worth spending the few $100s or even a couple $1,000s to have the drainage and the grading done on the home so that you're protected when it really weather turns and we have that type of rain. So hope this video helps, and I hope it saves you in the long run. Have a good week. We'll talk to you soon.